Hi, I'm back with video 3. We're going to grab another handful of jewelry out of the box. Keep in mind I'm recording these all the same day, but just starting the camera every 4 pounds. So, ish. We're just throwing them in the bag. Hoping for some goodies down at the bottom, because the first 2 bags have been eh. But like I said, this is one of those, in my first video I mentioned, this is one of those sites where 3 or 4 different or more Goodwill stores sell. I'll just keep in mind which store I bought this from and maybe not buy from them again. Let's see where it's at. Oh, not even 3. Next video will be all the rest of it. We're going to try to get to 4 pounds. Oh boy. And I warn you, on these boxes, they throw everything but the kitchen sink in them. Some just hit me and hit the floor, and I don't know what it was. Oh, good. Oh, goodness. Okay. Not quite to 4 pounds yet. They put a lot of bulky stuff in there, so we can't get it to 4 pounds. The crazy stuff they put in here is, they shouldn't say jewelry, because it's far from just jewelry. 3 pounds 10. How much is left in that box? Can't get it to 4, no matter what we're doing. Good Lord. Almost. Almost there. David's peeking in there, but I'm not. That should be heavy enough. Yes, okay. All right, move the scale and we'll dump her out. Oh my goodness. I'll show you what happened and why it couldn't fit right. Good Lord, here, look at, they put this in there. Doilies. Doilies. They're nice doilies. They're in beautiful shape. They smell a little perfumey, not bad though. This is one of those melty beaded things. That'll go to the grandkids. Well, luckily nothing ever smells that bad. These are some of those rubber bands that the kids like. They have the shapes of the animals. This is a hair comb that has a hinge. I've never seen one like that. That's kind of neat. What's the picture on there? Oh, it's a woman's face. That's really neat. I've never seen a hinged one before. Okay, this is, okay, this cannot be mixed with any jewelry. It's got a corroded handle. That's too bad. That's no good. So I'll put that away from everything else. I don't want it to, I'm going to put some handle on my hands too. Yeah, we can get that out. That's not a problem. Okay. Just a little tension bracelet. It's kind of pretty. Woven like the other one. Woven like another one we got in the last box that we kept out. But this one's not as fragile. Oh, an elephant with no tusks. Oh, this angel has both her wings. I got one of these in my last one that had a missing wing. So and this one's got a broken halo, so this will probably get thrown out too. Of course. This is a magnet. Well, maybe I'll keep them. Somebody might want them to craft with. Little palm tree magnet, I'm assuming. That's kind of neat. I don't know if it's handmade or somebody bought this, but that's actually cool. I can sell her. She's really neat. She's got a little earring, fur hat. That's cool. Oh, this is the prettiest magnetic bracelet I've ever seen. Look at all the color in that. I have never seen one that pretty. Here's a hair clip. It's tangled. It won't. Oh, it got caught. See? It went through. Look at David. That got stuck. It went through. I have no clue what this is. I think it's a hairband. It's got elastic.
It's a mask.
Oh, I guess it's a mask. Okay, it's a lace mask. That's kind of different. I like this one. This one's cool. That's kind of something that my style. I don't know if I'd wear it, but I like it. I might wear it. I think that's cool looking. That's really neat. This one's a channel set rhinestone, red and clear. It's a pearlescent kind of plastic. It's kind of pretty, but very small. Here's an Easter bracelet. Oh, I figured it was broken. That barrette broke when you tried to fix it. This one's pursed lips and a smile. Very View. That might be vintage. Those were really big back in the day. Anyway, I got three of these bracelets that are Easter themed. Little frog from my granddaughter, I guess, or my grandson. Well, probably my granddaughter because it's pink. And this is a flower brooch that somebody put rhinestones on. Mardi Gras necklace. This is another woven bracelet. That's very pretty. Very lightweight. It's very thin pieces of wicker or something that they've woven into this bracelet. Oh, wine charms. Christmas themed. Oh, I got the other one. So I got both earrings. Look at. I got this one in, I think, box 1. Now this is actually quite pretty. Yeah, but I like the gold. This is really pretty. This tassel is gorgeous. I can take this whole piece off of it and reuse it because I don't think this whole thing's a nice chain and stuff. I got a silver one like this, I believe, in the last video. This is something else. I don't know what the heck that is. What is this for? It's a flask bracelet. It's a flask bracelet. That I've never seen anything like that. It's a flask. And it's a bracelet. That's crazy. I'll have to look that up. That's kind of fun. Nothing I would ever think to... Oh, this is plastic for the grandkids. This is probably for the grandkids too. It's just a little elastic woven type bracelet. Here's a barrette or a comb. That's nice. Looks like it's all intact. It's got kind of a closed chain look. Oh, it's missing one blue rhinestone. That'd be good for art or something. And this is a little ceramic cup with the handle broken. I think it was a basket. But maybe somebody can do something fun with it. I haven't a clue what in the world? Why? Does anybody know why? Is it a toy? That's crazy. And here's a mesh belt. I think the 80s called and they want their belt back. Let's see, what does that say on it? Oh, I love paper blue beads. I collect them. Those are actually very pretty ones too. And then this is a Mardi Gras bracelet that's falling apart.
Oh, look at.
Oh. Okay, let me see. Now David opened it all the way up. It's just weird. It's just the weirdest thing I've ever seen. That's weird. Very weird. Oh, for those who like the spikes. It's kind of cool. This is falling apart. It's little petals, and I'll put them with the kids' art stuff. Oh, cute little woven. Oh no, it's a Shambhala bracelet. New Jersey Breakers. I don't know. Might be vintage. I think here's another one of those Mardi Gras pieces. A wine charm snowflake. A seashell starfish picture holder. It's kind of cute. Oh, see, I have a bunch of these for a watch I already have, so it's probably the same watch. They just didn't give me the watch. But there's all the watch bands. And here's another, I think this is a hair elastic. It's a pretty pink one. Seashell necklace. Mazel tov. Showing backwards on camera. I hope this camera's recording properly. Hope my videos aren't weird. Do I have it right? Well, there it is. It's backwards to me, but it's right for you. Here's a little spiky rubber necklace. I have earrings similar to this. Oh, another one of these. I got one in my one of my other boxes. I'll put them all together. More of these. These are all tied together. Oh, another one of these pretty brooches. You leave that brooch out for me? I wanted that lady brooch. I can glue something on there to fix her because it looks like she's missing something. I might have to fix there too, but
She in this bag?
she had the fur on her. Well, she was from this bucket. So, wait, is she out? No? I guess you put her in there. You're being efficient. I don't know. It's balloons. Little balloons. Little tie bracelet. So, barrette missing. No, it's got all its rhinestones. It's kind of pretty. It's acrylic. There she is. So these are the two I have. So this one's missing the cloth in the necklace. I can fix that. I'll see if I can find one like her and see what she's missing. And these are 3 bracelets. They're all hooked together. There's this one, which is very pretty. And then 2 kind of snakeskin ones. Pink snakeskin and a natural looking one. Oh, a lizard. Look at that. Our grandson will lose his ever-loving mind. No, I won't let him. Little train brooch. Why? It's a little yellow, angry man with a marble in it.
Bruiser. There's bruiser beam on it.
Oh, I guess it stands up when it wants to. There you go. That's weird. Oh. Bruiser bean. Another one of those Easter egg bracelets. Oh, another one. Here's another hair clip doing the bag. It's been lovely, but I have to scream now. I've got a bunch of those. I showed them all. And this is a baseball. It looks like a piece of baseball. See? And then they used a baseball for the little clasp. It's kind of neat. Some earbuds. The kind that wire in. Hair tie. A little bracelet. Grandkids can have that, or grandson. This is a shower curtain clip. I'm telling you, you get everything in some of these boxes. Well, I guess you just push it in. There's a little glass kitty. I'm surprised that made it. Not so much as a...
It's a hanger.
He hangs on the glass or something. That's so cute. Coffee, chocolate, and men. Some things are just better rich. ENA, Emergency Nurses Association. Here's a strap. If you need a strap for a purse, that's what this is. Oh, what a shame. It was a couple of... Well, it's 2 little sand dollars and 2 little starfish, but one of the sand dollars got crushed. That's too bad. This is a bracelet that's, I guess you hook it on there, and it's got a heart and a rose. This is just junk. No, I did not. Here's this, I guess another belt. This one I had a bunch of belts in it. These things are heavy, so by the time you put all the belts in there, that's probably a good 10 pounds of my weight. Yeah, it's a baseball. Look at the thing. It looks like a baseball. With a baseball.
New York Giants.
Yeah. It's a little bracelet. Hair tie. A little bracelet. And then another batch of these. A bunch of these blue velvet ones again. They're kind of cool looking. This one's not blue velvet, but it's blue. And then that one. There's a whole bunch of plastic ones that match. Look at these. It's like a set. They're all slightly different. See those? And then a bunch of others. All these colorful bangles. Oh, then there's an elastic one. There's another one that's a little wider, a little more detailed. This is a, oh, now that's something I could make. Look at that. I never thought of doing that. I'm going to leave that out. We're going to do that. It's a little sequined bracelet. And then use the bead to hook it. Oh, we could do that. We're going to do a video on that. This is I Make the Difference for a teacher. And bells. I can definitely use those bells in a project. Oh, that's the same bracelet, or oh, did I show that one already? I thought I did. And that one's a pretty little charm, Shambhala style. And then this one has a little sea turtle. Could have sworn I showed one of these. Maybe you put it. Maybe I set it back down. This one says Royal Academy of Dance, Grade 2, Graded Examination. And then this little plastic bracelet for the grandkids. So that's the end of, I think that's every, oh, and then this little braided and beaded bracelet. So I think that's it. That's bag 3. Hairpin. You don't see those very much anymore. I actually used these when I was young. I worked at Bob's Big Boy as a hostess, and we had to wear a bun. If you didn't have enough hair for a bun, you had to buy this fake bun and put it in with these. And I had a bunch of these in brown. Things have changed. I don't think they could do that today. So that's the end of this box, or this bag, and I'll be back next week with the final one, which will probably be a little bit more than 4 pounds, because it was 17 pounds. So I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.